Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about drones, aerial photography, and keeping up with DJI's latest tech innovations, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know, and everything we suspect about the upcoming DJI Air 4. From leaked FCC filings to rumored hardware upgrades and game-changing new features, this could be one of the most exciting DJI releases yet. Let's take a closer look at what could make the DJI Air 4 a standout successor to the already impressive DJI Air 3 and Air 3S. DJI Air 4 rumors: a mid-range drone ready to go pro? The DJI Air 3 and Air 3S have already earned their spots as crowd favorites in the mid-tier drone market. They're praised for their balance of power, portability, and camera capabilities. But the Air 4? According to various leaks, rumors, and industry whispers, DJI might be ready to push things even further. Even though the Air 3S hasn't been on shelves for that long, the drone world is already buzzing with talk of what's coming next. The DJI Air 4 appears to be DJI's next evolution, potentially narrowing the gap between consumer drones and pro-level options like the DJI Mavic 3 Pro or the future DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Triple camera setup. Inspired by the Pro's one of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Air 4 is a potential triple lens camera system. Borrowing inspiration from the Mavic 3 Pro, this could be DJI's way of delivering professional-level imaging flexibility in a lighter, more accessible package. Early details hint that the Air 4 could include lenses with focal lengths of 70 mm. This translates to around 2.5x and 6 optical zoom, allowing for impressive versatility. Whether you're filming wide, cinematic landscapes, or focusing on distant subjects like wildlife or architecture, the ability to switch between lenses without physically moving the drone could drastically enhance your creative workflow. And it's not just about zoom. Each lens offers a unique visual perspective, which opens the door to multi-angle storytelling and dynamic transitions without needing multiple drones or complex flight maneuvers. Upgraded sensor, 1-inch CMOS. A huge leap in image quality could be on the horizon with the DJI Air 4 if rumors about a 1-inch CMOS sensor turn out to be true. This would be a serious upgrade over the smaller sensors in the Air 3 models. Why? Is this important? A larger sensor generally means better low-light performance, increased detail and dynamic range, more accurate color reproduction, reduced noise in shadows and highlights. Whether you're shooting during sunrise, golden hour, or twilight, this sensor could allow you to capture breathtaking shots that previously required more expensive gear. If you're into aerial videography, real estate drone tours, or travel vlogs, this is a huge win. 6K video recording. Going beyond 4K, another rumored upgrade, the ability to shoot in 6K resolution. While 4K is still the industry standard, 6K gives creators a ton of flexibility in post-production. You can crop, pan, or stabilize without losing noticeable detail. It's ideal for professional-grade YouTube content, documentary filmmaking, high-end real estate marketing, social media B-roll clips that pop. This could position the Air 4 as the most creator-friendly drone DJI has released in the mid-tier category, making it perfect for aspiring filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators looking to level up. 360-degree multi-directional gimbal. Ultimate stability stabilization is always a hot topic, and DJI seems to be innovating here too. One of the juiciest leaks so far mentions a 360-degree multi-directional gimbal, which would be a massive leap over traditional 3-axis gimbals. This could mean more fluid camera movement, greater creative control during flights, improved stabilization in all flight directions, easier tracking for active subjects. Whether you're racing through mountain trails or gliding over cityscapes, a gimbal with this kind of freedom will help ensure smooth, shake-free footage every time. Electronic ND filter system. Smart light management managing. Light has always been a challenge in drone filming. Typically, users need to attach physical ND filters to reduce light entering the lens in sunny conditions. But what if DJI is preparing to revolutionize that? The Air 4 might introduce an electronic ND filter system, automatically adjusting exposure levels depending on the environment, all without manual intervention. This is a huge time saver, especially for fast-moving shoots and travel creators who need to be ready in seconds. Insane battery life. Up to 52 minutes? Battery life is one of the most critical factors when choosing a drone, and here's where. The DJI Air 4 could pull ahead in a big way. Rumors suggest a maximum flight time of up to 52 minutes. That's a massive jump from the Air 3's already solid battery performance. Longer flight time means more footage per flight. Less time spent swapping batteries, greater efficiency on client shoots. In addition, we might also see a new fast-charging system that could charge 3 batteries in just 90 minutes. If true, this is an absolute game-changer for drone professionals, real estate photographers, travel influencers, and anyone else on a tight schedule. Smarter obstacle avoidance, with potential LiDAR integration. Safety has always been one of DJI's strengths, and the Air 4 is no exception. According to leaked details, the drone might feature omnidirectional obstacle detection, with sensors covering all flight directions: forward, backward, sides, above, and below. There are also rumblings that DJI could ditch traditional wide-angle sensors in favor of LiDAR technology. If this turns out to be accurate, it would greatly improve obstacle detection in low-light conditions, dense environments like forests or urban areas, night flights, and indoor shoots. LiDAR's precision could allow the Air 4 to navigate tighter spaces, with far more confidence and fewer collisions, another major win for pilots of all skill levels. True vertical video, social media ready in 2025, vertical content is no longer optional. It's the standard on platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and DJI knows it. The DJI Air 4 is rumored to support true vertical shooting, allowing you to capture content natively in portrait orientation. No more awkward cropping, rotation, or resolution loss. Just fly, shoot, and upload. This is especially valuable for social media marketers, travel influencers event, videographers, lifestyle vloggers, vertical video support right out of the box? Yes, please. RC Pro 2 controller, a new way to fly. The Air 4 might not come alone. Leaks suggest it could be accompanied by a new generation controller, possibly called the DJI RC Pro 2. This controller may feature a 7-inch tilting touchscreen, offering improved sunlight visibility, sharper live feed previews, more intuitive touch controls, better customization of camera settings. For experienced drone pilots, the controller can make or break the experience. This upgrade would be a welcome evolution in DJI's gear ecosystem. Prototype leaks and design. Tweaks images circulating online, notably shared by leaker Jasper Ellens, suggest that DJI has already begun testing prototype versions of the Air 4. One image even shows a crash-damaged unit, hinting at real-world testing in progress. These leaks reveal some key design hints: thicker arms for added durability, triple top sensors possibly optimized for upward and backward obstacle sensing, improved airflow and cooling. Interestingly, the new sensor layout resembles designs from the Mini 4 Pro, and potentially even the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro, showing DJI's strategy of unifying innovation across product tiers. DJI Air 4 release date. What's the timeline? So when can we expect the DJI Air 4 to hit the market? Given DJI's historical timelines, a release sometime later this year seems likely, especially if testing is already underway. The Air 3 was released around 2.5 years ago. That's a fairly standard cycle for drone upgrades, especially when technology is moving as fast as it is now. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Air 4 worth the wait? If even half of these rumors come true, the DJI Air 4 could be a groundbreaking release in the mid-range drone market. You're looking at a product that combines triple lens, camera, flexibility, professional-level image, quality 6K video, support smart gimbal and stabilization upgrades, social media-ready features, next-gen obstacle detection, incredible flight time, and charging enhancements. Whether you're a seasoned drone filmmaker or just starting your aerial journey, this could be the perfect all-in-one package. So keep your eyes on this space, And subscribe to Techno Trend Zone if you haven't already, because as soon as DJI makes this official, we'll be breaking it all down for you. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe, shoot sharp, and keep creating.